We set up the Ancheer Treadmill here in our living room by the window. And I'm going to show you that I'm going to connect the outlet into the outlet here on the side by the door. So it's a 3-prong outlet, and I'm going to put it right in. And once it's connected, I did add the oil to the belt, underneath the belt, as stated, and ran it for 3 minutes. Once you have done that and run it for 3 minutes, I'm going to show you that we did turn it on down here, and you hear that beep, and it says off. Then I push the start button, and it gives that warm up, and it shows the speed, and then it shows arrow 6, E6, which I believe means error 6, right? So nothing else happens when you do that. If you push any of these buttons for speed or for stopping it or for the mode, we never were able to use any of these programs. It ran for 45 minutes. My husband was on it, and then it had a smell, like burning smell to it. He got off of it, and then he saw that it had E6 on it, and nothing else happened after that. So if you press the stop button, or nothing can happen on any of these buttons. And there's no way to to turn it off, other than to go back down here to the button, power button, like I'm doing, and I press it off. And if I press it back on, again you hear that sound that it should be starting up. I come back, it shows off. Then I press start, and it does a countdown and gives you E6 again. So that is pretty much the sequence now that it's doing over and over. You cannot get the machine to work at all. There is no button that starts it at all. You can't do anything to it. So that is our present situation with this treadmill. Like I said, it worked for about 45 minutes when my husband was on it, at which point then he started smelling something that smelled like it was burning, so he got off of it, and all he could see then was E6 on the screen. He turned it off, and then when we turned it back on, you see the sequence that I just showed you of it being off, press the start button, countdown, and then E6. This is the reason why we are returning this treadmill. Thank you.